might be the last time I'm putting gas in the car. What's up guys? Thank you for watching another video. As you guys see by the title and thumbnail, I don't know as of right now, but you guys know. I think we're selling the E36 M3 today. Okay, so I posted the car for sale about a week ago. By the way, I'm super sick. I don't know how, but I feel like I'm always sick. And during that week, I didn't feel sad at all. I didn't really even care. I was like, it's cool. It was fun while it lasted, but I think this morning waking up, knowing that it could possibly be gone today, now it's hitting me. And I'm really freaking sad, guys. Like, it's really hitting me today. I don't know. Now I'm actually like, feel like telling the guy not to come today. It's such a clean E36 M3. It was literally like my dream car to get this. A red E36 was my dream car. And to be able to have the M3, it's even crazier, dude. Like, this is my dream car, bro. Am I making a bad decision, guys? Anyways, I'm so sad. I'm like legit sad, bro. I've never sold a car before, so I don't know how it feels. I guess this is how it feels. Bro, what the? I don't really drive the car much. This car is so fun, bro. Guy hit me up yesterday. He hit me up yesterday. He's very serious about buying the car. He has cash ready. He even sent me a freaking video of his money saying I'm ready. So I'm pretty sure, guys, that the E36 is getting sold today. It's super sad. Like, it hasn't hit me until I'm starting the vlog. Like, that's when it started hitting me. He said that he works for a shop. He told me the shop name. I looked it up. They make crazy LS swap engines. He does crazy engine builds. And he's gonna put an LS into my E36 too. Bro, he has the sickest whips. He has like probably a total of 9 cars. I look like I'm crying, but I'm not crying, right? Maybe I am a little, but no, I'm actually really sick. Like, I don't know what's going on with me today. Just selling this is gonna help fund the next car. I can't even imagine trying to sell the E92, bro. Like, I don't even think I could, bro. And maybe one day I'll be rich and I'll be able to buy 10 of these cars. I'm sure it's going to a good home. Who knows, maybe I'll buy the car back off of him once it's LS swapped and fully built. That shit will be badass. He's gonna turn this thing into a beast, bro. Once I'm in that GTR, I won't be sad. That's what I keep telling myself. Once I'm behind the wheel of the GTR, I don't think of nothing else, bro. That shit is so much fun. Might be his last car wash with me. Guys, am I making a mistake? I might be making a mistake, huh? Maybe I shouldn't sell it. If this guy buys it, he'll be going to a good home. He's gonna turn this thing into a monster, bro. Once it's LS swapped, that's exactly what I wanted to do. Shout out to these guys, Experience Auto Detail. They came through early in the morning to get this washed for me. The car looks so clean when it's all washed. I told the homies that washed it, I was like, why'd you guys do it so clean? Now I don't even want to sell it. You versus the guy she told you not to worry about? Interior is so clean. I don't think I've ever seen the car this clean before. It looks like a brand new freaking M3. No. Well, guys, it's sold. That's the homie right there. He's bought it. He's gonna do some crazy stuff to this car. We got the deal done. The car is no longer mine. The pink slip is done. This is no longer mine, guys. I'm literally about to cry, bro. That shit's sad. That's crazy, dude. Probably have a video clip in the first video, but I'm gonna try to find it. I think I said, I'm never selling this car, bro. This shit is too perfect. And look at me selling it. I went for the last drive right now. I took him for a ride. That was the last drive. No more E36 M3. Maybe I'll buy another one in the future. And he said he's gonna put a LS in here. And I told him, I'll buy it back from you, bro, when you're done. But he was like, nah. There it goes, guys. It's gone. Bro, it's gone forever, bro. I'm about to cry, bro. Just kidding. That's just sad.
see the tears falling. Can I get 1,000 now? I'm working on your cards.
And we are back home with no more E36. As you can tell, I'm super sick now, extremely sick. I barely have my voice, but I wanted to come on here and just end the vlog real quick. Today was a very sad day. Very, very sad. The garage just looks just so empty. I always wanted two M3s, an E36 M3, and I wanted an E92 M3, and we did it. Yes, it's sad that it's gone, but guys, whatever's next is gonna be so sick. As you guys know, the main reason is because I want to get a new car and I want something new. If you guys have any idea at what's gonna be in this parking spot, comment down below and let me know. And like I said in the past, I don't know if I'm gonna sell the E92 yet, because I freaking love that car. That is my first car, and I can't even imagine trying to sell that or letting it go, giving the keys to someone else. But the car did go to a good home. I didn't get to show you guys or let you guys meet the owner, but like I said, he's a very cool guy. It took a lot to negotiate a price with him because he was very tough, but I know he's gonna take good care of that car. That car is gonna be a monster when it's done. He has plans to LS swap that car. I don't know, it's freaking awesome, and maybe one day I'll get to see that car again. I think when he makes some progress on the car, I'm gonna hit him up on Instagram, see if he'll let us come by, get some vlog content of the new engine, and maybe even get a ride in my old E36 with the LS engine in it. That is what I've always wanted to do to that car. That was a huge thing in the YouTube channel, I think. I worked on that car a lot with my dad, which is freaking awesome. But next car, guys, the next car is gonna be badass. Anyways, no matter what, I'm super blessed, and thank you guys for watching another video. I appreciate all you guys. Please subscribe if you're not already. Smash the like button for my freaking sick throat. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Please don't be so mad at me. The next car is gonna be dope. Damn. There it is.
But it's basically stock, huh?
Super clean, dude.
There is a cover to my backyard.
It's clean. Like super mint inside. I'm going for a test drive. And it's coming home with me. I'm so freaking excited. An E36 M3. M3, so that means I got two M3s now.
Take care.
I'm hyped.
R.I.P.
Everything's paid for, and I got the keys. The bag is secured, bro.
Yeah.
We got it, boys. We got an E36 M3. I'm so hyped. Hey guys, this is gonna be my first drive in the E36. I'm super excited. I might stall, but we'll see.
Ay, Dios mío.
We good.
We Gucci. Literally Gucci.
Oh my god, this thing is sick.
You look so happy.
Dude, I've been wanting one of these cars
I
so
know.
bad.
Oh my god.
The red looks so good. Things look so good together. Woo. Oh my god, dude, I cannot believe this. It's like, it's kind of surreal, dude. Like having two M3s, both red. So awesome, dude. So we got the quiet M3 and the quiet M3. That's my front plate, but it looks pretty cool. Before and after. Look how good that looks. I'm so glad I went with these Apex wheels. I just love how the front end looks. Damn, dude. Oh my god, dude, it looks so sick. Guys, those wheels look so good on that car. My dad's having way too much fun. Oh my god, it's beautiful.